Hey everyone, welcome back to the Slow English podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm currently sitting in this studio with a giant cup of tea that's definitely too hot to drink.
And I'm John, watching Emma pretend that her tongue isn't burning. That tea is basically lava.
I'm suffering for the podcast. It's okay.
Anyway, we're really happy you're here. Whether you're walking, cooking, studying, or pretending to study, we're glad you're spending this time with us.
And today's topic is actually one of my favorites, the present continuous tense. It's incredibly simple, incredibly useful, and honestly, most English learners overthink it.
Which is why you should stick with us till the end. We're going to explain everything in a friendly, human way. No stress, no complicated grammar talk, just real examples, real stories, and real learning.
And before we jump in, if you enjoy learning English slowly, clearly, and with a little fun, make sure you subscribe or follow the podcast. It really helps us keep making episodes like this. So, guys, what is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is happening now or is ongoing. The structure or formula we use for present continuous tense is: we use subject, plus is, am, are, plus verb. And we add ing with verb. If you guys don't know about subject, verb, just tell in the comments. We'll make next video on this. Let's go through with some examples. I am studying. She is eating. They are playing.
I always imagine the present continuous like a camera that's recording what's happening right now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, right now, this moment.
We use present continuous tense to describe what's happening now or what are we doing now. Imagine you're listening to this podcast while making breakfast. You could say, I'm cooking eggs. And we could say, we're talking about grammar. I hope this helps you. Don't worry, we'll practice present continuous tenses.
You normally just add ing. Like read, reading. Easy.
But English likes to have personality.
Yes. Personality, that's one word for it. Present continuous isn't just for right now. It can also describe things happening in your life these days.
For example, I'm going to Toronto this weekend. I'm visiting my mom on Friday. We're having dinner with friends tonight.
And if someone asks, what are you studying? You might answer, I'm studying accounting. Even if you're not studying at this second.
We use present continuous tense to describe what's happening now or what are we doing now. Imagine you're listening to this podcast while making breakfast. For example, I'm going to Toronto this weekend. I'm visiting my mom on Friday. We're having dinner with friends tonight.
Here are some examples of present continuous tense. I am watching a movie. She is cooking dinner. They are studying for their exams. He is playing football. We are learning English. The baby is sleeping. It is raining outside. They are building a new house. Now share some examples in comments section.
This technique changed my students' confidence more than anything else. John.
Yep. It's simple, describe what you're doing while you do it.
When you're cooking, I'm cutting the vegetables. When you're driving, I'm waiting at the signal. When you're walking, I'm going to the store.
You start training your brain to think in English. And once that happens, speaking becomes easier, more automatic.
It's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So today we explored the present continuous, how to form it, when to use it, how to make negatives in questions, and how to practice it in real life.
And if you remember just one thing from this episode, let it be this: English isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every I'm learning, every I'm practicing is a step forward.
You're not just studying English. You're becoming an English speaker. And that's something to be proud of.
Thank you for being here with us today. Your time matters, and we're grateful you're spending it with us.
We hope you learned something, smiled a little, and felt supported today.
Until next time, keep learning, keep feeling, and keep speaking with Here.